Hello traders, welcome back to GolgiFx, and this is your boy Golgi. So in this video we'll be looking at the MACD trading strategy. So if you are new to our channel, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to be notified on the coming videos. Traders, let's get into the video. The MACD indicator is the moving average divergence convergence indicator, and it's a trend following momentum indicator that shows the relationship between moving average of price security. So we can see that the MACD indicator is a trend following momentum indicator, and traders use this MACD to identify when bullish or bearish momentum is high in order to trade, to buy and sell in the market. So we are coming to look at the MACD indicator and how to use this indicator to adapt to your trading strategy. So if you look at my chart, I'm on the GBP USD, the daily time frame, and if you go to the plus sign, F sign here, you can get your MACD indicator there. But I have it already on my chart, so if I click on this, it will appear on my chart. So this is my MACD indicator. So I'll be showing the two strategies. If you already have a strategy, you can add the MACD strategy to it, but if you don't have a strategy, I'll be showing the process of how I use this to trade on a higher time frame and also on the lower time frame. So this is the MACD indicator. If you come here, you'll be able to see the settings. So you can see that the fast length is 8, the slow length is 16, and the length signal is 11. So let's get into the strategy. So the first thing that you do is to wait for the MACD to cross. If you look at GBP USD, you can see there is no cross here. There has been several cross here, 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 and here. So let's take example here. What are we going to do if the MACD cross this level? So if we see a cross around this point, the first thing that we do is to go to lower time frame, the 4 hour. You only use the MACD on the daily time frame to get the level and also to get the direction of where you should be looking at. So then you go to the 4 hour or the 1 hour, depending on the type of trading that you do. If you're a day trader, you can go to the 1 hour and the 50 minutes. If you're a swing trader, you can look at the 4 hour. So if you look at our 4 hour chart, we are not going to use the MACD again. We are just going to focus on price action. So what you are going to do here, you are going to look at the market structure here and determine if what the MACD is saying is true. So if you look at this level, you can see the markets have made clean highs and we have not seen any break here. So meaning from the past week, GBP USD, we are only going long. The reason why we're going long is because we saw the MACD crossed above and we were only looking for long position. Currently, we have not seen any cross on the daily time frame. That's why we are still in the long direction. So if you are a day trader, you can be looking through these levels and be taking your trade. And since we have not seen any cross to the downside from the MACD on the daily time frame, we are still going to be in the structure, that is, they are still going to be in an uptrend. If you go back and we see any cross, from the MACD on the daily time frame, then we'll start going short on this market. Let's see how we can apply this on Euro USD too. So traders, currently I'm on the Euro USD. If you look at the MACD, this is also being used on the daily time frame. We only use the MACD on the daily time frame. And if you see here, you can see there has been a cross from the MACD, that is the Euro USD. So are we going to short straight away? No. What we are going to do is we will go to 4 hour, 1 hour and look at market structure and wait for it to break, market structure break. When we get a break, then we tend to trade in the direction of the MACD. You don't only take trade because the MACD have crossed, because if you look at this point, you see the MACD crossed here. Someone could have taken a buy here. Truly, the market is consolidating, it's not selling. The person is still in a breakout trade or in a consolidation trade. If you look at this level too, you can see that there was a cross here and the market sold. But you don't sell straight away. You go to lower time frame and look at market structure. When we talk about market structure, what we are saying is, so when we talk about market structure, we are talking about this forming. When we see something like a clean low, when the market make clean low and finally break structure here to the upside. That is when we say the market structure has been broken to the new direction. So we wait for the market to break either in an upside or in the downside, then you go there and you take our trade. But first you look at the MACD indicator for a cross to either the upside or the downside, and you take your trade. So traders, this is how you'll be using the MACD to add to your trading strategy. You just look for the cross and you go to lower time frame, look for market structure. If the market structure does not go in the direction of the MACD, you wait patiently for the market structure to be in that direction. So traders, that's all for this video. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.